Welcome to today's vibrant recipe, the lemon glazed roasted carrots and green rice salad. It's colorful, wholesome, and packed with flavor and texture. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or hosting a cozy gathering, this dish brings balance, beauty, and nutrition to the table. Let's break it down, one nourishing ingredient at a time. First up, carrots. We're using about 3 fresh carrots, chopped on a bias. That angled cut gives them a fancy look and more surface area to roast beautifully. Carrots are naturally sweet and rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Great for your skin, vision, and immune system. Add those to your baking tray. Next, grab 1 red onion and give it a rough chop. Red onions roast up tender and slightly sweet with just the right amount of bite. They bring that savory depth and are packed with antioxidants. Drizzle with a tablespoon of olive oil. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and pepper and set that tray aside. Now for some plant-powered crunch. Chickpeas. On a separate tray, add 1 cup of cooked chickpeas. Drizzle them with olive oil. Add a touch of red chili powder, salt, and toss to coat. Chickpeas are a great source of fiber, iron, and magnesium, helping with energy, digestion, and muscle recovery. Time to roast. Place the carrots and onions tray on the top rack and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the 30 to 35 minutes. Bake the chickpeas on the bottom rack for 20 minutes, give them a toss, and return for another 10 minutes. While they roast, let's whip up the glaze that ties this whole dish together. Now, the citrusy magic, our lime glaze. In a small bowl, add a generous drizzle of maple syrup for natural sweetness. Pour in a splash of good quality olive oil for richness. Grate in the zest of 1 lime, or lemon if you prefer a sharper pop. That zest adds aromatic oils and brightness in every bite. Add a handful of finely chopped almonds for crunch. And freshly chopped cilantro for that fresh herbal lift. Finish it with a pinch of salt. Stir it all up until well combined. A sweet, nutty, lemony glaze that's bursting with flavor. Time to bring it all together. Once your roasted carrots are golden and tender, toss them in the lime glaze while they're still warm, so they soak up all that goodness. Now, to a large bowl, add 1 cup of cooked rice, your roasted chickpeas, 6 to 7 chopped medjool dates, remaining chopped herbs, the rest of your lime zest and juice, a drizzle of olive oil, toss everything together until well mixed. Taste and adjust salt or citrus if needed. Now top that herby green rice mixed with the glazed carrots. Every bite is warm, crunchy, citrusy, sweet, and packed with plant-based protein and fiber. This salad is a whole vibe. It's not just a meal, it's a celebration of color, texture, and nourishment. Perfect for gatherings, cozy lunches, or a feel-good meal prep that actually makes you excited to eat healthy. Give it a try and let your plate shine like this.